Ma'am, please. Put the gun down. Surrender. Ma'am, put it down. Please. Put it down. Now lay it down. Don't do it. Lay it on the ground. Lay it on the ground. Ma'am. Brian? Gurnee 83, we need traffic on 41 stopped. Northbound stopped at Ferndale. She's on the side of the road with an AR. Brian. You see her?
Yes, we got her.
She's behind these. Do you see her?
Yeah, she's right in the corner. Okay.
All right, you've got the voice commands.
Yeah, put the gun down! No one wants to hurt you! You're not in trouble! Put the gun down!
Don't.
Just put the gun down!
Ma'am. Brian, I got you. Just don't step in front of me. Please lay it down. Lay it down.
Put the gun down!
Don't come any closer. Don't come any closer, ma'am, please.
We don't want to hurt you!
Your boyfriend's fine. He's breathing. He's fine, I promise. I just checked him. He's got a pulse. He's breathing. Lay the gun down so we can take care of him.
Put the gun down, please.
Lay the gun down so we can take care of him. Lay the gun down so we can take care of him. Ma'am, I need you to lay the gun down and we will take care of your boyfriend first thing. I can't do that. He's unconscious. We're dealing with you. You're distracting me. You're distracting me. I need you to come here. Ma'am, I need you. I need you to lay the gun down.
So we don't get any southbound traffic going up to the ramp to Grand.
Ma'am,
We need northbound shut down also.
lay the gun at your feet. Come over here and talk to me about your boyfriend. He's breathing. He's fine.
Stand by a front door, down or some pills or something. So have it.
He's fine. He's breathing. We're going to take care of him. We're going to treat him. Lay the gun down to your feet.
41 officer on the Bozer, going to shut down southbound 41.
Lay the gun down to your feet. It's going to be okay. Lay the gun onto your feet. Your boyfriend's breathing. Huh? I'll walk you over to him, but I need you to lay the gun down.
Just north of Grand.
I need you to lay the gun down. I'll take you to him.
On the
Ma'am,
ramp.
ma'am, don't do it.
41 southbound to Grand.
Her finger's on the trigger. She's got the barrel to her chin. Her finger is on the trigger of the rifle, barrel to her chin. Anybody with an eyeball. 41. We're in the northbound lanes. I'm talking to her. Northbound lanes 41, just to the north of 132. Southbound lanes, north of 132. Southbound lanes. Ma'am, come here and talk to me. Put it down.
Units on the southern end along 132, be aware of crossfire. We got 5 of us up north of you right along the
Ma'am? Come on over here, talk to me. Put the gun down. If you lay the gun down, I will show you, I promise. Lay it down. She wants to see Warren. Is that his name, Warren? Jordan?
Show me Jordan.
He's fine, he's breathing, he's unconscious. I can't bring him over here.
Westbound, step down at 41.
Look, talk to me. Put the gun down and talk to me. Lay the gun down. This has gotten way out of proportion. Just lay the gun down.
Southbound at Delaney, shut down.
Lay the gun down and talk to me. I'm talking to her. I've got a great view. I've got a good sight picture. Beware the crossfire. What's your name? Hon, what's your name, honey? Christine Jordan? You're gonna see Jordan, Christine, okay? He's fine. He's fine. I just need you to put the gun down and we'll go see him together, but you gotta lay it down at your feet, all right, hon? I can't do that. I need you to put it down. I need you to put it down. What's your name, sweetie? Don't point the gun this way. Hold on, ma'am. Ma'am, please. She's going over the wall. Flanking angle.
Just
I need you to
down. Watch you got officers down. Whatever she took is kicking in. Just watch your distance. Anything to the left of her.
She's covering us.
I got you.
Ma'am? Christine?
Don't come any closer.
Crossfire.
Crossfire. There. Just don't step to your right.
Christine, stop. Stop. Right there. Drop it.
I will give it to you.
Don't.
13 shots fired.
Don't reach it.
Hey, who's got cover? I'll go in.
I got cover.
I need. Hey, cover for me now. Right here.
Holstering.
Watch your hands.
Gurnee 83, be advised. Police, shots fired. Suspect is down. The boyfriend is still in the car, unconscious, Chittenden Park. If somebody can start that way and direct rescue in, it'll be the southeast corner of Chittenden Park, back in the grass by the bushes. He still needs to be dealt with erratic heartbeat, shallow breathing. We're going to need command out here.
Where is he? John, where is he?